In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set a default template on List Perfectly. Setting a default template allows you to stay within one template while you're adding new listings or taking photos in one session. Most of us work in batch work, so if today was jeans day or if today was plush day, you could set your default template to either your jeans or your plush template, making your work even more streamlined than ever before and just speeding up your entire processes of how you list. You want to go to listings at the top while you're on your List Perfectly catalog or anywhere on the List Perfectly website. Go down to view, edit templates, click that, and it's going to bring you to the page of all of your templates. In this column where it says default template, you simply click in the box that you want to be your default template for that day. If I was working on plush today, every new listing that I create within List Perfectly is now going to automatically default to my plush stuffed animal template and have all of that filled out for me. If I'm working on the computer and adding listings this way, it will bring this template up. And if I'm working on my phone taking photos, which I'm going to show you in a later tutorial, it will bring up this template with every listing as I'm taking the photos. And I will show you how quickly and easy it is to change which default template you're in. Let's say tomorrow I'm working on jeans, so I change it back to the default being my jeans template. Go to add a listing, and you can see it has now defaulted to my women's jean template. So this is just another way to quickly speed up your processes. Being a productive, profitable reseller is all dependent on how you manage your time, how you streamline those processes, and how well you work daily to constantly speed yourself up and do things better. Having templates in place, having default templates, these are surefire ways to speed your processes up and just be more productive. Also, don't forget that batch work I mentioned. Batch work is super important. This default template will keep you in line and keep you doing batch work and keep you creating more listings more quickly and making more money with List Perfectly.